this is Brett and Skylar, brand new parents. This is little Zaylee, and she was born on October 4th, just a few days ago here. So why don't you guys just tell us why you decided to bring her in, first of all?
We've seen the effects in our lives and what chiropractor has done for us, and so we wanted to get her started out the right way, and just so that she feels, you know, what it's like to feel right, and hopefully fix a few things that we've noticed, maybe as far as like which way she lays a lot, and get her neck loosened up a little bit and stuff like that.
So you said her head kind of tilts towards that right side. She favors that. You said she's got a little bit of reflux when she's laying down, right? Some just gas bloating, that type of thing. She sleeps fairly well for the most part. Wakes up every couple hours to eat, and other than that, pretty healthy baby, right?
Yep.
Good. So we're gonna check her out, see how that nerve system is looking here. She might wiggle a little bit here because this might be a little bit cold. We'll get this going here.
We won anyway.
That's all right. Okay.
Okay, one thing we did forget to tell you too, she doesn't like to burp sitting up. It's like she won't, we will burp and burp and burp, and she won't burp. But then when we lay her down, she starts kind of doing
to burp.
the reflex thing. So I don't know if that's.
Can she get those burps out then when she's laying down, or is it more so it just takes a while?
She'll burp a little bit, and then but that's when the stuff comes with it. Then when she's laying down.
Okay. So we're looking for temperature here. I'm sorry, my hands are so cold right now. Fairly big reading in that low back there, right there. See how it swings way over?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna mark that one real gentle here. Mark that one. Okay. So now this might tickle a little bit as we go down her back, but we'll start up high. I know it, right there. So that would be the tummy. Right? Stomach, liver, gallbladder. Let's check the neck, and I can hold my head right here. Those baby rolls, that means they're healthy. That's what you want to see. Possibly one up there in the neck. Okay. So I'll mark that one too. Alright. So what we'll do here is we'll get her covered up, and we're going to lay her on her back right over here. I want you real close to her just so you can talk to her.
Get her facing.
Yep, so her head's going to be here. And you can just wrap the blanket around her so she's covered up here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, I know, we got her warm hands up. Let me check that neck. She does favor that right side. You ever see her turn to the left neck?
She did. Out in the waiting room was the first time I've ever seen her turn left.
So cold. Right now just feeling for the muscle tension. You want to talk to her, she might like your voice. Now you can see with her head how easy she goes to the left side here. It's really fairly easy that way, but when I go this way, there's not much motion there. And then when she turns, it's really hard to turn that way. She does get really easy. So you give her a hug here, cuddle her a little bit. So right off the bat, the atlas bone looks like it's shifted over to the right. So it shifts that head over like this. So she doesn't necessarily want to lean to the right, but she turns that way because it's also rotated. So she can turn real easy that way because that atlas is rotated this way. So she's basically tilted to the left and rotated like that.
Right.
And then whenever you turn her head left, it's just locked. She doesn't want to go that way. So that's a huge one with the immune system there.
One of those little deals.
You might fall asleep.
Oh, I usually
You got the blanket on him and everything? That's perfect. let's check her little hips out here. So if we bring your hand,
Slide her down just a little bit. There we
That's
go.
good.
Okay.
We're gonna check her hips here first, so we're just gonna see how those legs. Now, do you notice with the legs here? A lot of times, if they have tummy issues, they'll try to hug their knees up to their
Mhm.
stomach. Do you
She
notice
does
she
that.
kind of
Yeah,
tucks
she does
her?
it a lot.
Yeah. When their tummy's hurt, they wanna kind of relieve the pressure, so they'll get those legs up. Especially when you lift her up.
Mhm.
Does it seem
Yeah.
like she does
Yeah.
that? Her hips move great. That sacrum in there. Oh, she's out.
Need some food.
She might wake up here because tenderness is what we're looking at here. She got a little swelling on that sacrum, yep.
That one right
Feel
there.
how she jumped
Yeah.
away and she opened her eyes a little bit. Not quite as bad there, but that's one. And she jumps away from that one. Okay, so let's bring this hand down. Check out that mid-back here. She is so cute. Nice work, guys.
Thanks.
We think so.
You really did it.
Whatever that first one you pushed on was, she jumped at that one.
She did. Now this one's got some swelling. This is T6. This is the one that goes to the stomach.
Yeah.
She jumps away.
Yeah.
5.
Not as much. A little bit. Not as much.
Let's try 7.
No.
Quite as much. 6. A little bit more there. So we're gonna do T6 there today too. Alright, so we got 3 spots on her. Sacrum. Alright, that's all that lower GI, but it also has a lot to do with the bowel. You said she was constipated for a couple days and it's kind of regulated. T6 has a lot to do with that reflux and also the sphincter for the esophagus there. And then the atlas, that's huge with the immune system there. So the first 2 we can actually do right here. Alright, so let's move this hand down. And I'm actually going to grab onto her hips just a little bit to get a little bit of leverage here. Just fingertip pressure. She's relaxed so well. There it goes. Good. Good job.
Okay,
Good job.
baby.
You're okay. Alright. Let's check that mid back here. Pretty easy on that one. Check them again here. There's 6.
Mm-hmm.
7. Go ahead. And 5.
The 6 and 5 are the worst.
Yep. And right there. So, just fingertip pressure here on this is number 5 there. There it goes. Good job.
Good
Did you
job.
hear that one?
Really? Yeah, I felt it a little bit.
Nice job. Okay. So we'll bring her up and do the last one. Alright. 2 of the easiest adjustments I've ever given right there. She's still
Pretty
sleeping.
relaxed.
Yeah. Took it like a champ there. It's good. Alright, so now we get her on her back with her head here again. I'm gonna grab this stool here.
The monkey be under her?
What's that?
That was really good.
Yeah, the monkey can be under. Just keep her wrapped up. Now we'll get a real good sense of how the neck is moving now that she's nice and relaxed. Look at that.
Good job.
Alright, let's see how she moves here. You can just tell it just stops
It
right
rolls
there.
the other way a lot easier.
Okay, let's rotate you, kiddo. Yeah, she even wakes up a little bit with that. She can. That's about as far as she goes. Little grimace there. Let's go this way. Alright. And she wasn't breech or anything, right?
No.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Pretty good.
But wasn't she to one side or something?
She was, they said her cervix was all set a little bit to the right.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
she said that she might have been sitting a little funny in there when she
Okay.
came out.
Gotcha. Here's 2. Hook on 2 there. And here's the right atlas right there. And that's the one she doesn't like.
Oh,
Oh, it's
baby.
okay.
It's okay, peaches.
Okay. So what we'll do is we're just gonna. Sometimes it's gentle enough where you can just put them in a traction a little bit and it'll actually release. Sometimes it takes a little bit of an impulse, kind of like it did with the mid-back there. Alright, so we're going to get her neutral here.
Maybe.
She might not like to be neutral. The head's kind of stiff there. A little to the side, kiddo.
It's okay, baby girl.
Maybe go this way. That's it. Give her some love. Here we go. Good job.
Oh,
She did good.
now we're better. That's all better. Yeah.
Go back to sleeping. So
Yeah.
the things that you might notice.
The worst part about it is when you get clothes back on now.
Yeah. We'll wake her up again probably.
Yep.
So a couple things that you'll notice with them when they get adjusted is a lot of times after it kind of lets all the pressure off, they calm. So she may sleep for a while after that.
Okay.
You know, we had a little kiddo in here yesterday, or Saturday, it's Monday. Saturday and got adjusted and called him that afternoon. He slept for like 3 hours.
Wow.
They just calmed down. So pay attention to that and the bowel and color, the jaundice and all that. And I'll check back in with you guys probably at the end of the week. We'll give her a few days here to just get used to it. And we'll check her maybe Thursday, Friday and see how she's doing.
Good.
So, all right?
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks, Tay.
Any questions?
I think so right
All
now.
right. You got a beautiful baby girl.